The number one reason that most weight loss plans fail is people use short-term accelerators rather than long-term weight loss strategies that involve following daily routines. Short-term accelerators are exactly that. They're something you're meant to do for a short period of time to accelerate your progress. They're not a full plan to do for a long period of time. So you need to understand the difference between a short-term accelerator and a long-term strategy. Do not start with a short-term accelerator. The first thing you do is you need a long-term strategy, whatever they may be for you. My long-term strategy is to follow intermittent fasting because that works for me. It's very simple and I enjoy doing it. Another strategy that I use is I make sure that my lunch every day is a superfood smoothie. It works for me. I get a high nutrition meal right in the middle of the day that gives me energy throughout my day. So those are the strategies that I follow. That's my long-term strategy. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to say, hey, should I add a short-term strategy in there now and then, a short-term accelerator? Yeah, that's an option that I can have once I figured out my long-term strategy. Here are some examples of some common short-term accelerators. Let's take a look at one called a boot camp. This is where people get up usually at 5 a.m. They go to a park, they exercise super hard with a bunch of other people. It works, it's effective, it accelerates your weight loss. But people usually stop after about 30 days. It's not something sustainable. It's not something that most people enjoy doing, so they stop doing it. Well, after this, if they do not have a long-term strategy, they typically gain all the weight right back.